Ever wondered if there's a simple yet effective way to generate revenue online? Well, the world of affiliate marketing holds the key. And today, we unlock the potential of one of the most popular platforms in this arena, ClickBank. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to use ClickBank for affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to ClickBank's website and create an account. It's free and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and contact details. Step 2. Understand the marketplace. The ClickBank marketplace is where you'll find products to promote. It's filled with thousands of digital products across a variety of niches. Take some time to explore and understand how it works. Step 3. Choose a product. It's crucial to choose a product that aligns with your interests or expertise. This will make your marketing efforts more authentic and effective. Step 4. Get your affiliate link. Once you've chosen a product, you'll need to generate an affiliate link. This unique link tracks the sales that come through your promotions. Step 5. Promote the product. This is where your marketing skills come into play. You can promote your affiliate links through social media, blogs, email marketing, or even YouTube videos. The goal here is to reach as many potential customers as possible. Step 6. Earn a commission. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. The more you promote, the more potential for earnings. Step 7. Track your progress. ClickBank provides detailed analytics so you can monitor your sales and optimize your strategies. To summarize, using ClickBank for affiliate marketing involves signing up for an account, understanding the marketplace, choosing a product, getting your affiliate link, promoting the product, earning a commission, and tracking your progress. Remember, like any business, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a good dose of creativity. But with ClickBank, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to help you on your journey to financial freedom. So, are you ready to turn your online presence into a revenue-generating machine? The world of ClickBank affiliate marketing awaits.